Hi there! After extensive research, we are delighted to share with you our list of the top 5 best car headrest monitor 2024. Whether you're trying to keep the kids entertained on long road trips or just looking to add some extra text to your car, we've got you covered. The best car headrest monitors in this video are listed in no specific order, because let's face it, different people have different needs. One person might want something fancy, while another just needs something to keep the backseat from becoming a war zone. So stay tuned till the end, because you never know which of these best car headrest monitors could be the perfect fit for you. And hey, if you're the type that likes to skip to the end, resist the temptation, you might miss a gem. For more information on any of the car headrest monitors we talk about today, please check out the links in the description box down below. I've added any discounts I could possibly find just for you. FANGOR 10.5 Dual DVD Player. Most affordable. Let me tell you about the FANGOR 10.5 Dual DVD Player. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to keep everyone entertained during long car rides, this one really stands out. It's not just a simple DVD player, it's a dual screen system, meaning you can play 2 different movies or the same one across both screens. That's a big deal if you've got kids who can't agree on what to watch. Each screen is 10.5 inches, which is a good size, big enough for clear viewing but not too bulky. One feature I really appreciate is the long battery life. You get about 5 hours of playback from a single charge when using both screens. And if you only need one screen, it lasts even longer. Plus, it's rechargeable, and they include a car charger, so you're never out of luck if the battery dies on the road. The setup is super easy, with straps to attach the screens to the headrests. And the AV cable allows you to sync the 2 screens without hassle. A small downside is that the picture quality, while decent, isn't going to blow you away, especially in bright daylight. Also, it doesn't support Blu-ray, so if you've got a collection of those, this won't work. But for the price point, it's hard to beat, and the sound quality through the built-in speakers is surprisingly good. XTRONS 10.1-inch Android. Best for streaming. Let's talk about the XTRONS 10.1-inch Android monitor. If you love the idea of having a smart device right in your car, this one is pretty impressive. It runs on Android 10.0, so it feels just like using a tablet, except it's mounted on the back of your car's headrest. You can stream Netflix, YouTube, or whatever your favorite app is right from the screen. With built-in Wi-Fi, connecting to a hotspot or your phone's data is super easy, so you won't run out of content on long road trips. The 10.1-inch screen is a great size for watching movies or TV shows. And the 1920 by 1080 resolution gives you a crisp, clear picture. Plus, it's got 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, so you can download apps and even save some content for offline viewing. One thing I really liked is the touchscreen. It's responsive, which makes navigating through menus and apps a breeze. Now, for the cons. A few users have mentioned that the Wi-Fi signal isn't the strongest, especially when the car is in motion, so streaming might get a little spotty depending on your connection. Also, the sound from the built-in speakers is just okay. I'd recommend pairing it with Bluetooth headphones or using your car's sound system for a better audio experience. Wonnie 10.5 Dual Screen. Best for long trips. The Wonnie 10.5 Dual Screen Portable DVD Player is a lifesaver for road trips, especially if you have kids. What makes it perfect for long journeys is the dual screen setup, allowing 2 people to watch the same movie simultaneously. Each screen is 10.5 inches, which is a decent size for a clear viewing experience. And the picture quality is solid for a device at this price point. One of the standout features is the long battery life. You get around 4 to 5 hours of playback when both screens are running, and they've even thrown in a car charger to keep the entertainment going if the battery runs low. Plus, the DVD player supports a wide range of formats, from DVDs and CDs to digital media files on a USB or SD card, so you've got plenty of options for what to play. Setting it up is super easy too. The screens come with headrest straps, so attaching them to the back of your car seats takes no time at all. The remote control is a nice touch, allowing you to manage playback without having to reach over. Now on to the cons. Some users have noted that the speakers could be louder, especially in noisy cars. The picture quality is also affected when you're in bright daylight, but that's pretty common with most portable DVD players. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Kaskawise 12.4-inch Android. Best large screen. The Kaskawise 12.4-inch Android car headrest monitor is perfect if you're looking for something with a bigger screen that feels more like a mini home theater in your car. The 12.4-inch display is noticeably larger than many other options, which makes a huge difference when you're watching movies or shows during long trips. The screen resolution is impressive too, delivering a sharp and clear picture at 1920 by 1080p, so it's a real treat for the eyes. What really sets this monitor apart is that it runs on Android, so it's just like having a tablet attached to the back of your seat. You can download apps, stream directly from Netflix or YouTube, and even play games. With built-in Wi-Fi, connecting to a hotspot or your phone's data is pretty straightforward, and the 2 GB RAM makes everything run smoothly without too much lag. The built-in speakers do the job, but you can also connect Bluetooth headphones for better sound quality, which is something I'd recommend if you want a more immersive experience. It even has 16 GB of internal storage, which is great for downloading shows or movies to watch offline. The only real downside is that the Wi-Fi connection can sometimes be inconsistent, especially if you're on the road in areas with weaker signals. Also, being a larger device, it can be a little bulky on the headrest, but that's the trade-off for the bigger screen. NAVISKAUTO 12 Android. Best overall. The NAVISKAUTO 12-inch Android car headrest monitor is an absolute standout when it comes to combining a sleek design with top-notch functionality. If you're after the ultimate entertainment experience on the road, this one ticks all the boxes. The 12-inch screen is large enough to deliver a cinematic experience, and with a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, the picture quality is stunning. Whether you're watching a movie or streaming content, the visuals are crisp and vibrant. One of the best things about this headrest monitor is that it runs on Android, meaning you have access to a wide range of apps from the Google Play Store. Whether you want to watch Netflix, browse YouTube, or even play games, this device can handle it. The interface is user-friendly, and it's equipped with 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even when multitasking. There's also 32 GB of built-in storage, which is plenty of space to download shows or movies for offline viewing. The monitor supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for wireless connections to headphones or speakers. And of course, the installation process is hassle-free, with the unit easily mounting to your car's headrest. The only significant con is that while the built-in speakers are adequate, they might not provide the loudest sound in a noisy car environment. However, you can easily pair the system with your vehicle's audio or Bluetooth headphones for a better experience. So, which of these car headrest monitors do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which car headrest monitor to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.